Winning at slot machines starts with knowing who controls their odds. Where are the U.S. states in all of this? Do they get a say? Let's delve into recent history to explain how odds are set in older-style standalone slot machines using a random number generator. Many people incorrectly believe the odds are currently set that way on all slot machines. Well, they were, but starting around 2008, a lot changed with setting slot machine odds due to the emergence of new gaming technologies, not only for slot machines, but also with the development of casino operating software. Both provide casinos with an increased operating efficiency and lower operating costs. With so many more people visiting casinos starting at the turn of the century and with profit margins getting smaller every year, operators found they couldn't afford to ignore the savings opportunities of these technologies. The second driver for this change is due to ongoing developments in legal regulations in gaming jurisdictions. You know what I mean, sports betting and online gaming. In the U.S., these gaming jurisdictions are the states, territories, or federal districts that legally allow gaming. In essence, casino operators follow the gaming regulations where they are located. These laws sometimes include a minimum theoretical payout limit and, far rarer, a maximum theoretical payout limit. Casino operators must comply with any existing limits. American Indian tribal casinos must comply with their own set of gaming requirements, which are usually not based on state law. Instead, they're defined by negotiation between a federally recognized tribe and the state within which they are located. This is done through a carefully crafted tribal-state compact. Some compacts include theoretical payout limits. So within this overall context, who controls slot machine odds? At a high level, gaming regulators can determine legal limits for theoretical payouts on slot machines. 28 states and one territory, Puerto Rico, have minimum theoretical payout limits, and only 14 states have a maximum. These gaming regs implemented by state law or negotiated compacts often are not changed for decades. Casino operators are often but not always required to provide weekly or monthly reports of actual returns to show compliance to their gaming authority. Depending on the state, these reports break down actual return statistics by casino, table games, slot machines, gaming machines, by the denomination of slot machines within a specific casino, or even if the machine has a progressive jackpot. How many of these statistics are given to the state and then passed on to the public is very specific to the gaming jurisdiction where the casino is located. 19 states provide publicly available return statistics, including slot machine win percentages. Of these, only 6 break down the reports by slot machine denomination. Again, at a high level, slot machines are controlled by gaming regulators by the placement of legal requirements for payout percentages. Sometimes, however, these state-specific gaming regulators do not set theoretical limits on payout returns. When this happens, somewhat obviously, casino operators do not have a legal requirement for setting payout returns. However, to remain open and not close due to lack of customers, they must still be careful not to set their payout returns too low. In fact, most state gaming regulations set a far lower theoretical payout limit than casino operators prefer. Usually, casino operators deliberately stay well above it. To do so is just good business. In the next video in this playlist, I'll get into how odds were once physically changed on slot machines. In the meantime, in this playlist right here, learn all about tribal casinos. It's a myth that tribal casinos don't have gaming regs. Make sure you're not being misled by other myths of tribal casinos. So to make sure you're using all your advantages, click this playlist right here, and I'll see you in the next one.